You're watching this telecast and wondering it was just a cup of tea that this prisoner was enjoying. Well, it wasn't just about that beverage, because now the details that India Today has accessed are shocking, to say the least. And I'll take you through all that has been recovered from the prison cell of actor Darshan. Cigarettes, liquor, perfume, luxury items in jail. I can tell you this is not part of the protocol. This is not part of the facilities that an accused of murder could be provided with these facilities. But that's not all. Here's how it got more suspicious. 15 containers were removed from the cells. 15 containers which could have different items, most of which is not part of the facilities provided, including, for example, luxury items and perfume. Actor Darshan, who's a popular face in the Kannada film industry, put inside the high security jail. Now, amid all of this, remember, because it's high security, there's always a certain scrutiny. There's always a certain watch on what is given to him, what is provided, and the facilities, plus the scrutiny on this individual. However, how did luxury items that was provided by the jail staff to the inmates? It cannot randomly reach a prison inmate. There is a strict security check that's done. And I can tell you, everyone who even visits an inmate, there are double, triple security checks are done. Was it the jail staff then becoming a messenger with these items to be provided? Actor Darshan's viral prison image that we've all seen by now is authentic. It's not photoshopped, it's not morphed. He is sitting, enjoying a beverage which appears to be a cup of tea. Then there is a cigarette, and next to him, enjoying with a gangster. Does it look like that they are guilty and of the law that has caught up with them? The picture taken by the Wilson Garden Naga gang is what we are told. So other gang members who are part of it, because they're not hiding it, they are in no way defensive about it. They want to show how their favorite gang member or actor Darshan, accused of murder, torture and murder, must I say, of Renuka Swami, are currently enjoying their life. The photograph that has been clicked was basically for publicity among gang members. Of course, they didn't expect it's going to go out, it's going to go viral, but that's what happened, and the jail authorities have acknowledged that this has happened and they'll take action against it. Think about it. How many prisoners, and some of them have been in jail on petty issues, that these petty crimes may have stricter rules than a murder accused only because is he a film actor?